Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 3 of my oil painting series. In my previous video, you have seen how I painted the mountains. If you haven't watched it yet, link is in the description. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint this lake. You can see how the colors of the sky has been reflected on the water. You can see that the colors predominantly are blue, orange and a bit of yellow. So these are my paints. Here you can see titanium white with cobalt blue and Persian blue. If we mix these, we can use a combination of both of these colors to paint the water. Next, you can use titanium white, scarlet lake, crimson lake and cadmium yellow. All these are for the orange part of the lake. I am going to use a synthetic flat brush to apply the paint on the canvas board. Part of the lake where the sunlight is reflected is more orange and pink color along with a bit of yellow. And as I apply the paint on the canvas board, I am going to blend these colors together to get a smooth finishing. Painting the lake is completed. You can see how the colors of the sky has been reflected on the water. I'm going to show you how to paint the foliage in my next video, so stay tuned. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Until then, keep painting and make the world around you colorful. Magic is in your hands.